Hey everyone and welcome back. So today I will teach you how to import and export Shopify Metafields. So for this one, what you need to do is I highly recommend you simply install this Metafields Guru application. This will allow you to simply add your products and their Metafields. You can see we have their collections also available in here. If you head over to the Metafield section, you can easily create one if you want to add global key values. So this will likely to be in populating all of your Metafields as well. So you also have browser extension for this. You can see we have Excel-like editor that can help to save you time with multi-row copy and paste. You can also use the bulk action. So if you want to simply import or export Metafields using CSV file, you can do that as well. And they also offer extensions. So I hope this is going to be really helping you with the Metafields to either import it using the import section or export. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.